Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Hafiz and I'm from class A2 2022. I'm here to pronounce the IPA. Okay, let's start. The first is short E, E, sheep, and then long E, sheep, and then short U, put, U, put, and then long U, and then is E. The example is 10, and then letter, letter, and then is er. The example is girl, and and oh. The example is sow, and then is a. The example is cut, cut, and then a. The example is sun, and then is our, R. The example is car, and then is a. The example is hot, hot. And we move to diphthongs. The first is ear, ear. The example is here, here, and then is a. The example is name, name, and then is wool, wool. The example is no, and then is oi, oi. The example is toy, and then is wool. The example is poor, and then air, air. The example is where, and then is I. The example is my, and then ow, ow. The example is how, how. And we move to the consonant. The first is the example is put, put, and then we move to b, b, and the example is bed, 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 and then is the example is tap, tap, and then is d, d, d. The example is door, door, and the example is four, and then the example is very, very. The example is thing, and then is d, d, d. The example is d, and then is ch, ch. The example is chair, chair, and then is j, j. The example is jump, 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 and then is k, k, k. The example is come, come, and then g, g. The example is gum, gum, and then is s, s. The example is sun, and then is z, z. The example is zoo, zoo, and then is sh, sh. The example is she, she, and then is sh. The example is vision, vision, and then is mm, mm. The example is my, and then is mm. The example is nows, nows, and then is ang. The example is angry, angry, and then is the example is happy, happy, and then is the example is late, late, and then is r, like that, r. The example is red, red, and then is wah, wah, wah. The example is one, 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 and then is yeah, yeah. The example is yes, yes. And I think that's all from me, sorry if I make a mistake. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.